Hello everyone, today we are doing our full face of first impressions, full of stuff from the last PR haul we just did. I'll link that below, it's my previous video, and some other new stuff that I just have as well. I'm wearing the new bustier like top thing by VIEVE. It's so bloomin' cute, look at it. Oh, I love it. This is the one that's like velvety. Probably can't really see very well, but anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna try out a bunch of new stuff today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like these videos too. I've got my smoothie here instead of an iced coffee. I do have my little reusable Gaia straw too. Love these. I'm gonna start with a tiny bit of this Ofra Blemish Treatment Cream. These are more blackheads. I just actually extracted them, so there's actually nothing there. But I just thought I'd pop some of this on anyway, just to ensure that the area is nice and like clean. My skin is clean right now, and I had a brow lamination this morning, so I won't be trying out brow products today. Just because I wanted to have a nice fresh brows for my wedding while I'm filming this. It's still coming up, but I don't know, maybe I'm married by the time you're seeing this. Who knows? It's a mystery. So I'm just taking extra good care of my skin at the moment. Which I should always do, but you know how it is. I'm just popping that in my blemish prone areas and where I've got like some blackheads and things. It's very tingly, cooling and tingling. It smells like that acne treatment smell. Is it the benzoyl peroxide? It's also got aloe vera in there, which is cool, so it's not super like, you know, harsh I guess. But then it also has salicylic acid and lactic acid, rosemary oil and some other stuff in there, so I like some of those ingredients. I know that chemical exfoliants work really well with my skin. Alrighty, I'm going to use some of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and I'm going to pop this kind of like everywhere before I prime, or as a primer, I don't know. I need to friggin' tidy up my background after this video. All the recycling that needs to be done. This smells so nice. I don't like the taste of watermelon. I don't mind the smell of it if it smells like real watermelon, but I hate the smell of like, you know, artificial sugary watermelon. This is like a nice light scent. Just smells like natural kind of. So yeah, you can use this apparently like under your foundation or on top as like a highlighter, or for like glowy eyelids like after you put on eye makeup, which is random. But hey, I love the packaging though, it's so pretty. Like it's kind of like this iridescent pink. It's so cute. I'm gonna pop on some Kylie lip oil. What does it smell? Like coconutty maybe? You know what, does feel amazing. Super buttery and smooth. I'm gonna have to do a couple of full face first impressions, guys, because I've got so much stuff I want to try. Might do some like foundation full face, wait, what are they called? Foundation first impressions. Oh my god, I'm like freaking myself out right now. So many similar words. Okay, I want to try these. First let's go in with the One Step Correcting Kitten. Can't tell if this is the same as my Holy Grail or slightly different. I feel like it looks pretty much the exact same, so either way I'm happy because I love Stila One Step Correct. Oh my gosh, can I get any more words wrong in this video? Feels super lightweight and very, very moisturizing, and definitely color corrects as well. My voice is now cracking. Today's going well. I woke up way too early. By the way, how cute is my jewellery? I'll link where it's from down below. It was gifted to me. It is so cute. Oh, as soon as I got it in the mail, I was like, I need to open it right now. It just arrived this morning. Yeah, my skin looks bomb. I love Stila One Step Correct. Like if you're looking for a primer that kind of just helps to neutralize your skin tone, like brighten it up, get rid of a little bit of the redness and everything. Like it works so pretty. Look at that. And then they also have this, which I've never seen before. Their One Step Correcting and Brightening Serum for your eye area. Ooh, I probably have taken way too much. That's a full pump nearly. Let's see how it looks. Do we see a difference? I don't know, it's more of like an eye serum. Obviously it's not like makeup, it's just a slight tint, which I don't see like what's wrong with that. Like if you're just popping this underneath your concealer, it does help a little bit. It's not like as potent as a correcting concealer because it's just like a serum, but yeah, I feel like I kind of like got the tint on my cheekbones and everything. It's got like a peachy undertone. It feels really good. It feels really lightweight. I'll let it like dry before we carry on with concealer and everything under there, but yeah, I'd definitely continue trying this out. The packaging's so cute too. I mean, if it's anything like the base, I'm sure I'll like it, so I'll update you guys. I'll continue to try it out. I'm kind of nervous to try out this foundation because I've heard literally some people raving about it and then some people hating it. so this is risky, but it's the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation in the shade Light Medium. It's vegan with a dewy finish. Some people have said it completely just separates on their skin, so I'm a bit nervous. Let's try it out. Because typically I actually love CoverGirl base products, I'm not gonna lie. Like honestly, most of the time, they're holy grails. You guys remember there was one in a similar packaging to this. It was like, hello, what was it? Something gorgeous or flawless or something. This looks very runny. And like that was a holy grail. So let's just see how this goes. The colour looks like it's not gonna be too bad. Okay, something on my face is beating up. I'm assuming it must be the Glow Recipe stuff because my One Step Correct never does that. Unless they have changed the formula quite dramatically. Okay, this seems to be quite light coverage. What does it say here? Vegan and formulated without talc, parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates, mineral oil, sulfates, and fragrance. Sheer buildable coverage. Okay, there we go. That's good. I was like, does this say it's meant to be full coverage? Because it's not. It says sheer buildable. So let's just continue to build it up a little bit. I can get down with sheer buildable, especially when I'm having like nice skin days like today. So I'm just going ahead and putting another layer. Got a weird smell. It says it's fragrance free, so it must just be like the raw smell of the ingredients. It's not a bad smell, it's just different. Yeah, something's like peeling. Is it the foundation? Surely not. I actually quite like the look of the foundation, so I'll keep an eye on it through the video and we'll see if it separates or anything. But first impression wise, pretty. If you just like a light coverage with a nice natural glow, then that's what this gives you. But maybe do your reviews first. Check other people's opinions, because it seems that people have very different opinions on this product. Like I feel like that's just a really nice everyday kind of texture. Can I just darken this a little? There we go. That's a bit better. I don't think we have new concealer, so I'll just pop some on. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I love this concealer. The coverage is so pretty. And the concealer is going down real nice on top of that Stila serum. Alright, so powder's on. That was the MAC Studio Fix powder. I do feel like I look a little bit cakey, which is weird because like the foundation was so lightweight and the powder doesn't usually make me look cakey when I even wear it on top of other stuff like that's fuller coverage. It still looks really flawless though, really pretty. I was just a bit confused. So hey, like literally I have full coverage all of a sudden. It's like the foundation just like gripped the powder. This Kisses palette by Etude. Hershey's Kisses, this is the milk chocolate, which was the one that kind of grabbed my eye the most. So I might use a little bit of this and a couple other palettes I have here. So I'm first going to take this lighter transition shade on a tulip crease brush. I'm just going to start by popping that in the crease. The pigment's really good, guys, on this. And it's real smooth to blend. I'm going to add a little bit of the darker brown matte. Just kind of getting it into the shape I want. It's a very blendable. Taking a fluffy blender brush, I'm just going to blend that out further. I'm just going to add a little bit of Bum, this colour here, and this is the Nudie No. 2 palette by Laura Lee Los Angeles. And I'm going to add this just through that front part of the crease, just to like brighten it up a little bit. I don't know, I'm just playing. Sometimes I like to just put random colours on and see what happens. I'm going to take Patootie, which is a little bit warmer than the colour from my little Hershey's Kisses palette, and just kind of layer. I'm going to take the shade Low Cut and I'm going to apply this underneath the eye. I'm going to go quite dramatic today apparently. Why not? Just blending that, and this is a slim crease brush. It's really nice to blend under the eye. And then I'm going to take some of this sheer colour. I'm just going to see what it looks like on the brow bone. Beautiful gold colour. And then I'm going to take this shimmery kind of deeper chocolatey colour. I'm going to put that on the eyelid. And I'm going to try this Jar Cosmetics Diamond Powder in a billion. Oh my gosh. It's like a coppery, goldy kind of tone. Stunning. Look at that. How good. I'm going to wet my brush and apply a little bit of that to the inner corner. I'm obsessed. Stunning. 10 out of 10. Look at that. Oh, so nice. Goes perfectly with that highlighter on my brow bone too. It's just a bit brighter for the inner corner. Love that. Oh, get yourself one. I'm gonna put on this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. Looks like this. I don't know what it's supposed to be. What does it say? Nourishing and smoothing. Oh, is it like a scrub? Scrub to balm is concentrated with watermelon, coconut, sugar, and flower AHA to hydrate, smooth, and tint lips. No rinse necessary. Reapply throughout the day for an immediate smoothing effect and a plush lip look. Apply 3 coats to build up colour. Oh yeah, I can feel it. So what, does it just like go away? I'm gonna put this next to my computer desk and like try that. Cute colour. It's got a very like watermelon-y, tasty. I'm not a big fan of that, but I can get past it if it is good. I'm gonna try out this gel eyeliner by Revolution. I haven't used one of these in a while. The brush it comes with is a waste of your dang time. It is so thick, literally useless. So let's try it with our own brush. It's just the Revolution gel eyeliner in black. Looks like this, nice packaging. It's like a little glass jar. I'm gonna use it on an angled liner brush, wing liner brush. Looks very creamy, like when you break the kind of surface. You see what I mean? Looks super black and full coverage. Should have done this before I did my foundation in hindsight. Coverage is really good. It's not skipping much at all. Like it smooths out really nicely. Ooh, that line is intense today. It goes on like a dream. Did you see that? If my eyeliner looks ugly, it's literally just because I'm like out of practice. The product itself is really good. Like genuinely, it goes on just as good as my freaking MAC one. Look at this side. I have not done eyeliner like this in so long. Oh my gosh. Okay, hopefully once we do mascara and everything, you won't be able to tell how shit my eyeliner is. I'm being very hopeful. I'm gonna clean it up a little. Be right back. Okay, honestly, I would use that again. It's my own fault that it kind of turned out shockingly. That's just my own skills. So we're gonna have to do dramatic lashes today. To start that off, let's try out this Opening Act Lash Primer by Tarte. I love Lights Camera Lashes. So this is kind of like the little partner, I guess. Oh my god, look, they gave me a little travel size Lights Camera Lashes in this tube too. So if we open it up, looks like this. I'm going to do one lash with it and one lash without it. I've got a bit of fallout from the pigment, so maybe do your eyes first. I should have done my eyes first today. It would have worked out a lot better for my eyeliner too. Alright, my lashes look huge already. Can you see this? Look at that. And then I guess I'll just use like a mascara that I already know I like, because there's no point using a brand new mascara when the results are going to be altered from that. So let's go in with Lash Brag by ABH. Okay, borderline clumpy. Definitely huge though. Today we have a few fails just because of my own mistakes and choices. The lashes are huge though. I feel like perhaps with a less volumizing mascara on top it would look a little bit less clumpy. Because this is already so volumizing. We'll put some on this lash so you can see. So the primer works. In short, it works. It gives you a lot more volume. Can you see the difference? Hopefully. I always freaking do mascara reviews, I swear, when I've got the like worst eyeliner on. It's not ideal. Yeah, I'm just continuously getting fallout. For falsies, let's try these ones by Makeup Geek. These are called Nicole. I'll put a link to them down below. I'm pretty sure I have a discount code for Makeup Geek too. So here are my lashes before and after. Love them. They're so pretty. Very fluffy 3D mink kind of style lashes, but not mink. I don't think I have bronzer. I've got this blush here which I'll pop on. This is Love Story Pressed Powder Blush by Colourpop. Oh, I haven't stuck on my inner corner properly. You know, sometimes when you just miss your skin, you just stick it to your lash and then it just kind of like hangs there. I've done that. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this blush. Oh, pretty. That's so nice. It's like a terracotta peachy kind of colour. Yeah, huge fan. Done. Love. Oh, that colour. I'm kind of like addicted to applying it. Then I'm just going to bronze quickly with my Sweetheart bronzer. And then for highlight, I'm very excited. I'm trying VIEVE Nova Glow Highlighter in Beige. How do you say that? Packaging's so cute. It's like this kind of leathery kind of feel. And then on the inside, that's what the product looks like. I'm going to use a detail face brush. This is a really nice light gold. Oh, it's like butter. That's beautiful. I love the colour. Really nice, super light gold. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I picked that up. I bought that one myself just because I really wanted to try some of her products. I got a couple of lip pencils too, so let's try some. We've got Velvet Sands and Bark. I'm thinking this one, it looks a little bit warmer, so it's Bark. I'm just judging that off the swatch. It's really pretty. I'm going to put them in my collection because I'm going to wear the absolute living shit out of those. Okay, we've got two Modern Matte lipsticks now. This is the boxes, by the way. They look very similar. Like a cardboard box. And the packaging is so cool. It's, again, that pleathery kind of vibe. It's not too heavy, not too light. It's like a nice weight. We've got this one here, which is Coming in Hot. And we have this one here, which is VIEVE, which I might use today. It's a little bit lighter. So... it smells like honey. Pretty. I love that lip combo. And then let's pop on a little bit of this Anastasia Beverly Hills Honey Diamond Lip Gloss. Just in the center. Oh, it's like gold. That's so pretty. Let me see up close. In the dark, you can kind of see. And then to finish off, we have their Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which you can use just for skincare, or you can use it on top of your makeup, it says, to refresh and set. But yeah, it's just super hydrating, it says. Oh my god, the packaging's so random. That. Why is it like upside down? Is it so that you store it that way? I don't know. That smells good. Okay, I feel like the liner kind of came together by the time we really bronzed up the face, the lashes, did the lips, the overdrawn lips, and the highlighter and everything, just to make everything look super intense. You know, the eyeliner no longer looks silly. We averted a crisis today. I just love my brows like this. I wish I could have got them done like directly before my wedding day, but no, because I won't be in Palmerston North. I'm going up to Papamoa area beforehand because my wedding's just out of there, just like half an hour drive from there. Can't wait to share with you guys my wedding video and everything. It will be coming. I'm so hyped. I love my makeup today. I love my outfit. Love my jewelry. Love my hair. I did really intense kind of curls and kind of like brushed them out a little bit, and I'm just so happy with everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. There were a couple of things that were a bit iffy. Something to do with one of those base products and the foundation like vibe. I don't know. Now it looks nice. It's kind of soaked in and settled in. At first it was a bit strange and cakey, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. Eyeshadows are beautiful. The mascara primer definitely works. I mean, a little bit clumpy, so I'd probably just go easy on it, especially if you're just trying it for the first time, and then just go from there. Depends what kind of mascara you put with it too. Love the lip products so much. Love the highlighter. Love the blush. I wish I had new bronzers to try, but I feel like no one's making new bronzers. Is anyone making new bronzers? Guys, let me know. But yeah, I will do another video like this very soon, trying out even more of the stuff that we got sent, because I really want to try this. The like super colourful Colourpop palette, because it looks amazing. Keep an eye out. We'll do another one shortly once I'm home from my wedding, I suppose. How exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to thumbs up like I said. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.